dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Nacine. I'm 37. I've lost 76 pounds on keto. There's a really bright light behind me. This is my kitchen. I do a lot of vlogging here. Today is Tuesday, second day home in a row. Today Tiffany is sick. I still don't feel the best, but I'm all right. I got almost all the way to work today and I got a phone call. They didn't feel good. Came home. She's sleeping on the couch right now, so I'm catching up on recording some videos since I'm home. Gonna take opportunity to work on something, right? I got a lot of Chaffles videos to make for different things. I got a collab to do. I got the Chaffles collab to do. I got just a regular Chaffles video that I wanted to do. Dexter. I was gonna go to the store and grab a couple things that I needed, but I don't have any money, and after missing 2 days of work in a row, it's gonna be a really crappy week next week. So decided against it. I think I have everything that I need, but I just wanted to update you how my morning is starting. I did have a coffee, big nice glass of coffee I've been using. Did I leave it in the car? I don't know where it is. I must have left it in the car. I've been using an old Starbucks cup, and I just filled that up with the Stoke coffee and put a little bit of heavy whipping cream and almond milk in there, and then I used some of the coconut skinny syrup. This is really good. I'm actually going to be using this in a recipe. So other than that, I need to do cleaning today. How did things get so dusty? That's my question. I'm like disgusted right now by the dust that I see on the hood of my stove. Anyways, I'm just gonna be doing cleaning today. I'll update you. I'm gonna be doing like deep cleaning after I get these Chaffles done, so I'll catch up with you guys later. Hey guys, so I have 2 packets of the sausage that is already cooked up now. It's just on low, and then I have 2 dozen eggs here that I have seasoned with the following: fresh Jax Seasonings, salt-free Italian, pink Himalayan salt, cracked black pepper, and some garlic. I'm gonna cook up these eggs, and then I will start assembling my breakfast burritos. I made all the Chaffles today, you guys. All of the Chaffles. So basically what I did is take half a bag of frozen broccoli, a bag of chopped riced cauliflower and broccoli, half a cup of heavy whipping cream, about a pound of ground beef already cooked, and then about a 1/4 cup of my ground sausage here that I'm going to be using for my breakfast burritos. I mix that all together. I put cheddar cheese slices on top with some mozzarella and provolone on top, and I'm going to throw that in the oven. I'm just going to cook it until everything is hot and the cheese is melted at about 375. Alright guys, this is about what I got made of the breakfast burritos. It's stuffed full. I honestly don't know how many I made. I moved it and this thing started coming undone, but it'll be enough for the week at least. And then this is just the rest of the sausage and egg mixture in the oven. I got that broccoli bake going, a whole another sink full of dishes, and then these beautiful Chaffles. I mean, these are delicious. They're so good. I gotta clean up now. We gotta clean up now, huh, Link? Do we gotta clean up now? We gotta clean up now, buddy. Do we gotta clean? Can you speak? Speak. 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 I got a vacuum. Look at your hair everywhere. This is what I'm having for lunch. This is a Caesar salad with some romaine and iceberg lettuce mix with a couple of the Parmesan crisps from Aldi. There is like half a teaspoon of flaxseed, half a teaspoon of hemp seed, and then probably about a tablespoon of chia seed because I accidentally spilled it. Also some salt and pepper and some Caesar dressing. And then this is about 1 serving of my chili. I am currently trying to transfer files from my camera to my phone, and I'm watching My Strange Addiction, and I don't know what Link is doing.
The look on her face, her feelings.
Yep. Oh, and I've been drinking this tea, and I think I'm gonna have this Zevia with it. So, and if you can see, there's my box spring. I got it down, so my mattress is on the floor now. So fun, right, Link?
I think